Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video made in English, so please give me some feedback and hit the subscribe button if you like this video.
Everything started from this moment when I bought a 2008 Volvo V70 D5 all-wheel drive from online auction. According to the seller's notice, the car was otherwise functional, but the four-wheel drive does not work. I was sure that the car can be repaired quite cheaply and there is a chance to make a small profit because the prices of intact ones in Finland are between 7 to 8,000 euros.
Okay, folks, 5 minutes to destination and things are getting excited. I don't know what to wait, but let's see. We have 2.3 kilometers left, so yeah, you can see I'm nervous.
Okay, here it is. After first look, at least it has four wheels, and yeah, let's take a closer look.
Yeah, just ride a first mile with it and man, it feels good. I think I got lucky this time, but does not make any sounds that I should worry about, and it feels pretty good and it also looks pretty good. It's on the dirt at the moment, but the interior is looking good. Bench and driving wheel and everything is right place and looking fine. And let's take that another 300 kilometers drive, and if it lasts that long, I think it's gonna be great. And tomorrow we are going to my workshop and let's see what's broken in the all-wheel drives.
Okay, I've been driven first 100 kilometers with this car, and I really think I think I'm falling in love with this car. It feels awesome. I mean, awesome. I like there's a pretty good setup. I'm not sure about the word. Is it equipment or setup in this car? But there's a navigator. Second best audio system that Volvo has made for this model. Turning lights, adaptive turning lights. I don't know, electrically working leather seats with memory and roof glass. I don't know, it feels damn good. I think I'm going to keep this car and forget the profit. We truly hope that it's going to last to the Ylöjärvi. I have 200 kilometers left, so I have a feeling that something strange come up with this car. But
After a mild initial excitement and a good night's sleep, I decided to go to the workshop and give the car a good wash so that I could realistically check the integrity of the paintwork. After this, it was necessary to read the error codes on all electrical devices.
Okay, first I washed the car, and now we can really take a look what did I buy when the surface is clean. And I am surprised that the condition of this car, because it's 15 years old car, and I think this paint shop is replaced or something. I don't know the word, but I don't believe that this is the original one, because there is no scratches or any dents or nothing. It's in pretty good shape. I cannot say same about the rims, because there has been some acid rain or something, I don't know. But the only problem with this paint job is here in the rear left corner. But I have a solution for this. I will show it later for you guys. But yeah, I think it's pretty good. But now there's more interesting part, because I'm going to read the fault memories from every system that the car has. So I think the cover is missing from the OBD port, so that tells me that somebody has been here quite often, or
tester that I used was Bosch KTS 540.
Wow, it looks interesting because in the ECU, the control unit of the engine, there's 4 faults, something with oil, and okay, and the 3 others there, they are for the swirl laps, which are located in the intake manifold, and I know the previous owner of the car has changed those flaps, and I think they just haven't cleared the fault memory. So next, the central electronics. This is interesting. This one is for the Webasto, the auxiliary heater for the car, and these are for central locking, and this is for light washer, and it says that ECU is not current for the car. I think there has been made some upgrades for the ECU, because I felt that this car was a little bit more powerful than it should be, so it might be the reason. But again, I started to find the problem with the all-wheel drive system, and first I just took my tester and went to the differential electric module and tried to take a look that it's taking a voltage, and there's that magnetic valve, and it's working properly, and also the Haldex pump is working properly. It takes voltage, and it says it's okay, and this is the temperature of the Haldex oil, so everything looks good. Okay, now I'm going to focus on the main problem that the car has, and it's the all-wheel drive system, as I told you before. And the thing is that there is 3 possible causes of the failure of the all-wheel drive, and the first one is the collar of the angle gear, which is located somewhere there. There is a collar that can be broken. It's located between gearbox and the angle gear. Second and third possible reason is located here. It's the Haldex pump, and the pump itself is here. It's possible that it's just dirty because the previous owner hasn't changed the oils to the Haldex pump, but I think it's not obvious. I think the pump is the main reason, and the other possible reason is the DEM, differential electric module, which is located here. Either the module itself is broken, or the pressure sensor, which is inside the module, but as I showed you with the tester, everything seems to be okay in here. So next I'm going to rotate the drive shaft. If those front wheels doesn't spin in the same time when I rotate the drive shaft, the collar is broken. Okay, the moment of the truth. Now I will spin it. Yeah. Oh shit. Nothing, as you can see. The front wheels are still, so the problem will be somewhere inside the angle gear, and it's going to be a hell lot of work. So we found the problem, obviously, and next thing is that I'm going to find some spare parts for the car and try to fix it. And after that, if it works, I think I'm going to sell it, because there is still pretty good chance for a nice profit, because the spare parts won't be so expensive. But I will tell you more on the next episode. So if you like this video, please subscribe and put the thumbs up and leave me some comment. It means a lot for me, because this is the first video I'm doing in English, so all the feedback is good for me. Yeah, thank you. See you next time. Bye.